class, and that those that are less fortunate work harder. My stocking.
Santa?
Yes, Virginia, there is a Santa Claus.